Today it's still Tuesday, October 14th, 2025. This is the next part. I'm just showing you here that we have cleaned the timing cover, we have removed the old sealant all the way around, the lower oil pan, the upper oil pan, nice and clean, everything, and the surfaces here on the engine, nice and clean without oil. I just passed it with a brake cleaner, with a clean rag and a brake cleaner. Let me close this and then we continue. It's amazing, you know, the last video that I make for that, it was with the timing cover out, the oil pan out, that was here on this table. And now, out of a sudden, next video, you know, everything bolted on. Alright, where am I now? Obviously, timing cover, oil pan down, oil pump, the lower oil pan here installed, damper pulley installed and torqued down. We had an access from the starter to the flywheel to hold it and torque it down properly. Now, I create some space here as per the instructions for the Procharger. Alright, I torque down the pulley with a little bit of the Loctite that they're giving together with the kit. I hold with a number 5 Allen from back the pulley here. I didn't spin the pulley because there is a ratio and it spins like crazy. It might be one turn here, it might be 10 revolutions here, even more, I don't know how much. Just play safe. It's written on the instructions, don't spin it. I didn't spin it. It does have oil, that's right. Then, where are we now? Yeah, you see this pulley? You see also this pulley? You see also the tensioner here with the pulley? These three, they make some sound. It doesn't scream crazy, but it's not in the best condition. So tensioner and these two pulleys needs to be changed. When he's gonna rebuild the engine, probably my friend, the owner, alright? Would like to pass the radiator hose from here. Okay, yeah, okay. I will be able to pass it probably. We're gonna see. Why I didn't pass it earlier? Don't ask me. I'm at this point now that, like I said, I have put the inner bracket, I have mounted 3 pulleys. It's torqued down everything. I have mounted also the bracket here, 1 bolt here, 6 bolts here, all around. Alright, I put also the bridge here, it's been torqued down, also the 14mm here, bolts torqued down with the guided pulley and the smooth idler pulley here. It's been routed, the belt. It has 2 belts inside. Most only he get a backup, the owner. It's not bad, it's always welcome. Alright, this is this hose. I haven't seen on the instructions, to be honest, but is this hose to come here? Maybe, probably, we're gonna see, we're gonna find out. It's not now the time. I get it from there. Here I have some old parts, some brackets that needs to be removed. Alright, this is the bracket for the wiring harness here up. Alright, that you have to take it out to put this bracket, obviously. Then there is one pulley that I have there inside. I have this bracket here. Let me finish with the bolts. These bolts here, what you see, it's the OEM bolts that's been replaced with the Allen, number 8 Allen and number 6 Allen. This M6 and this M10, if I remember right, or M8 or M10. I think M10. Never mind. Then this bracket here, need to remove it because you mount this bracket here and then you have, where is it? Ah, yes, you see from here, remove it. It comes here and then it's replacing that. It goes here inside. Now, the reservoir here for the oil, I haven't torqued it down for final because I have to clock it. That's why I leave it like that. It's still blocked. I don't want to fill anything inside. Yeah, you know what's the funny thing? That before I washed it everything and still has, yeah, carefully to don't contaminate anything. Don't fill anything inside. I might take it out, put the fittings and then put it in. Alright, there is here and here. I block also these fittings here as soon as I remove it, just in case, for a peace of mind. Don't come any dust, don't come anything inside. Okay. And now, where am I now? Now, I didn't find this rubber, to be honest. A small split rubber trim, okay, piece. I put the bracket as it's showing here. I have there was, with the kit there was 2 clamps. Okay, I installed both of them. Here it's showing only 1, but as soon as there is 2, I installed 2, you see. So I put 2, better safe than sorry, right? I have here the filter, it's located on the front frame, I think. So now it's the time. What's the time now? Now it's the time to go home. Now it's the time to leave. But before I leave, let's finish the video, right? So I'm gonna go a little bit front to see on the radiator hose that comes. It's supposed to come here, right? Okay, I guess. Fine. You have to be careful here, don't touch any pipe on the pulley. Okay. This is for the radiator fan, fine. This is a master flow sensor, fine. And there is another one here for the master flow sensor. Here we have a space for the pulley. The fuse box here, it's fine. Alright, okay, fine. This I removed it earlier, I didn't put it, you see? Nah, I'm dumb. I removed it earlier to pass the lines and I didn't put it back. Let me put it now, just a second. Let me bolt it down to don't have it for later. Alright, done with this one. These are being torqued down and the fuel regulator here for the return. Okay, it does have a boost reference, the OEM. Now, like I said earlier, I think that I mentioned that before. Since the tuner, he installed the low pressure fuel pump, it has actually only low pressure, does have high, it's not direct injection. Yeah, as soon as he upgraded the pump and he keep it like that, that means it's fine. No need the fuel regulator with boost reference. As per the tuner, right? It's not me. What else? I have trim also this. I have trim also this place, these windows here and here to create a space for the inlet from this side, and from there it's supposed to be the charge pipe probably. Yeah, alright. So that's where we are right now. This bracket, it had two brackets inside. I have no clue why. Don't ask me why. Maybe this has an offset. Maybe they're giving this. For what they're giving this? They're giving this, maybe it's bothering the hose and you put it. Should I put it in my pocket? Put it this way to create more clearance down. I'm gonna see about that. I don't know. But there is a bracket with one dot and there is a bracket with two dots. I'm gonna come here to see. Alright, the wiring type, we pass it, the coolant line's been routed properly, I secure it down there. Also, I put also the new oil filter. Alright, there you go. The oil pickup tube, alright, with the old O-rings, fine. Bracket alternator, everything back in place. Now this leave it here on the table. I'm gonna search about it. That. So the next step is to leave it. Before we close back, let me check the bracket for these pulleys, just in case, and to route the radiator hose. Yeah, that's the plan. That's what I'm gonna do now. And I can give to the guys also to put the spark plugs. We have a new spark plugs. They didn't mention anything to gap the spark plugs. I'm gonna check on the instructions. Maybe they're gonna tell you gap the spark plugs, close it or whatever. So actually the tuner, he will gonna tell you that. It has a clearance here, it's fine. Yeah, you need to create also some clearance here. I already did it. That's it for now. Tomorrow, we continue tomorrow. Now, like I said, radiator hose and the pulleys, just in case, to be safe. And I mean, yeah, alright, fuck it, I already said that. That's it, that's all. Thank you very much, over and out. Next video tomorrow. You're gonna see, if you see tomorrow that it's with a different way, these pulleys, it's a little bit more high, that means it was touching the hose and I had to use the other bracket, probably. We're gonna see. We will find out. I put also the cable behind to don't pinch it. Yep, yes, it is behind. I didn't grab it. No, I didn't grab it. I remember that I wrote it behind the tube for the solenoid. Alright. Fine. The dipstick already tied it. It was one of the first things that I put the dipstick, to don't have an open hole there, to don't feel anything inside. Right. That's it. Finish. Thank you. Over and out. Have a good night. Catch you up tomorrow.